So this is the ending of the channel. So we got to try these stuff.
Okay. So what you trying first?
I'm going to do it in order. So this is the first one.
Ooh, what are those? The seaweed potato sticks?
Yeah.
Let me see how it look. What you give?
These actually taste like on the cruise.
Oh, they taste like the potato fries on the cruise?
Yeah, I ain't lying.
Oh.
Taste them.
You want me to taste them?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to taste them. Oh yeah, they just got a little bit of a seaweed flavor to them, but they not too bad. They do taste kind of good. Let's see, those are those pillar things. Oh no, those are the smoothie cookies. Those don't really look like they taste any oh, it says maple sugar. I guess that's what makes them different than some regular animal crackers, because that's all they look like to me. How they taste? Like, just how they look.
At the end, it's pretty salty.
It's salty?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay, let's do the mango pillars. I think those things supposed to like peel like real fruit or something like that. Oh, do they peel? Let me see the inside of it. Oh, I guess you can peel it. Oh, that is neat. Let me see. Oh, it do. It kind of look like skin. How it taste?
It tastes like the mango ice cream.
It do. It tastes like a mango for real. It look like one too.
No, I see the vanilla mango ice cream.
Yeah, like that mango ice cream.
What it tastes like it?
Okay. So which one is your favorite out of all three of them?
I like this because we can peel it. That's neat, and I like these because I like seaweed.
Okay.
But these,
Would you get them again? No, not those.
those are going.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that big like. Subscribe. Share with all your friends. Make sure they